What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh out here with a new banger. This video is basically snow day. We got stuck in the snowstorm. A lot of crazy shit happened. Hopefully you enjoy it. And a little update, guys. I have not been posting on YouTube that much because I just got back from Vegas 2 days ago. I've been going up and down to Vegas a lot because I've been turning up a lot. Remember, guys, without God in you, ain't none of this possible. You gotta always stay humble and pursue your fucking dream. Because if I could do it, you can fucking do it. Anyways, guys, so a little update of upcoming event. March 2nd, I'm going back to Las Vegas for another huge takeover. So it's gonna be lit. I'm gonna bring you some takeovers from Las Vegas, some content fresh from LV. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. Anyways, guys, enjoy the video. This is how you prepare yourself for the snow. Oh, that is a maraca. Alright, guys, so we're coming back into the tunnel. This is gonna be a quick one. Good thing I brought shoes. Oh, watch out. Be careful. Good thing I actually brought shoes today. I did not get those. Careful here. Oh my God. Shit, damn, it's real right here.
I still don't fall.
Don't fall. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright. We're almost done. Making it to the end of the tunnel right now. There's a lot, oh shit. There's a lot of water here. Be careful. I'm crazy for coming here in the rain, but hey, it is what it is. Everybody good?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this water. Hold on. Sheesh! Inside it sounds like you're at the rapids over there at Knott's Farm or something, that one little tire thing that wets you. Right here the river's more like calm. Yo, what are you doing? I was down. You look like the stormtrooper from Fortnite. No mames. Hey, we made it to the mountains right now. Me and him, we're trying to basically take care of our people.
Be careful, there's snow everywhere.
Hey, be careful, there's water everywhere and snow. Be very careful, sir. Damn, we're saving people's lives out here. Damn. Okay, now we could grab the snow in my hand. Tastes like pussy. Nice.
Is it really a king?
Yeah. Oh, bro, there's a lot of people here that we have to protect. Hey, careful. There's a lot of snow.
Snow going down. Be careful, mucho ice.
Mucho hielo, cuidado. Compadre. Cuidado con el hielo, wey. Cuidado.
Be careful with the ice.
Hey, be careful with the ice, bro. Be careful. You look like my dick, by the way. Hey, be careful! There's a lot of sperm! My sperm is everywhere! Hey, careful! There's a lot of snow, you see? Be careful! There's a lot of snow, you tripped. Hey, Merry Christmas! That was chanclas! This right here! Here.
Amigo!
Hey, bro! Let me stick your toes since you don't have socks.
Here, go for it, man.
Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it, man. You're a real one. Flash me your shrimp.
That shit.
Hey, bro, you have to start a fire. Start a fire, you'll be safe. Yeah, or cat litter.
Be careful, it's cold outside.
Just be very careful because it's icy out here. It's too late for him, bro. He didn't take our advice. Excuse me, sir. No selfie sticks in the snow. No selfie sticks.
No honking at me.
No selfie stick in the snow. You'll catch.
Hey, this one's perfect,
That's
bro.
perfect, bro. Oh, that's perfect. It's real snow here.
Hey,
oh, her face.
There we go. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Not gonna work. I'm gonna get shit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, try it.
Oh, I got shit.
Oh! Hey, take this! Hey, what are you drawing, bro?
Fat fucking god, bro.
Let me take the camera, go show it.
Big fucking dick. Oh, fuck.
Everybody's getting stuck in this bitch right now, so we're gonna try to.
Oh, he's stuck.
So people park up here because they got stuck already. Let's do a lighter coke right now, bro.
Hey, yo, good fucking round up here.
Oh! Sheesh! Where you at, boy?
Yeah.
How you doing out there? How you feeling?
I'm fucked. I can't move.
Did you put your shrimp right there? We're making. No! I'll save you. We're making the best that we can out here in the storm. We are stuck up here, guys. Camaros, everybody's burning rubber right here, look.
Oh.
Sheesh.
TDK right here or what?
Takeover right here in the snow mountains, Mount Bali takeover right here. Literally, the snowstorm is strong right now.
Hey, I farted and it smells in here.
That's nasty, bro. Look at all the people back here, guys. We're just stuck back here. We're trying to make the best out of it, so I just got out of the car. I think.
Oh, fuck.
Oh! Careful!
Hey!
Oh! Be careful, bro. Be careful. Get your ass inside. I got the best way to throw snow at this one.
Ah, fuck! Oh, it's too cold. Move the car.
Hey, be careful. Tell this one to go forward.
Go forward.
To the camera.
Alright, so this car just slid right now, guys. Hit it just a little bit.
Look at that.
The car didn't move. He didn't move it. It's sliding. It's all ice.
Yeah, you can't because you don't have the chains. It's gonna crash, bro. Yeah.
It's all ice.
Everybody crashed over there too already. We're stuck here. It was about 2 hours. United States Post.
Anybody wants this dick, quick delivery.
Quick delivery, show us. Oh my god, this was crazy. This thing is steep as hell, guys. Okay, here he goes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, fuck! Oh, shit!
Guys, I'm about to full send this bitch right now. Ready? I'm coming! I'm full sending this bitch, guys, right here down this rock.
Oh shit! Full send, baby! Oh shit! He literally just climbed up from all the way.
I need the glove. I'm gonna make it without the glove.
Fucking shit!
All around me are familiar faces.
Threw it and it went over your head.
Hey, get the glove!
Get the glove!
Went down to the center right there. We made it. We made it all the way down right here. I climbed literally back up. I came back for my glove, guys. I didn't want to leave that shit behind. Oh, damn! Oh! Hit the brakes!
You guys go all the way up there?
Yeah.
The alien's up there?
You took it the opposite way, King. I'm sorry, I don't know what I did to you. You went the. Oh. Oh, fuck! Oh, shit! Oh. Why, look at both sides. Let me get on top of you, fool. Oh, straight to the car. Go into the car. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Woo! Happy 2020, baby. Hey, let's go through the forest. Me, you, we gotta go destroy that guy. He's the enemy right there.
Oh, let's get that.
Come on. Attack it! You'll never work in this city again!
Never again, boy! Ah!
You can strike my dick! Ah! Where's his body? We'll beat him up with his own arm!
Take that again. Wait, we should build it again and give him a dick, King.
No!
What?
He's my enemy! Oh! He's defeated me! Here, defeat him for me! Don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Game. Let's go.
If you were to die, you'd die with a boner though.
True, that's how you know I'm still
You have to build it.
Days in the trap, ain't got my money up. Bust it down the road like now she tryna fuck. And I